Agentforce looks impressive in demos, it works in sandboxes, and then it quietly breaks in production, not because the AI is weak, but because enterprise systems behave very differently at scale. In this video, I'm going to explain why Agentforce breaks in production, and what Salesforce Architects are now responsible for in the age of autonomous systems. Most Salesforce AI projects pass every sandbox test. That's the trap. Sandboxes don't simulate concurrency, they don't simulate data drift, they don't simulate real automation collisions. Production isn't harder because it's bigger, it's harder because everything happens at once. Agentforce doesn't fail in sandboxes because sandboxes hide the risk. Salesforce automation was designed around deterministic logic. Flows run step by step. Triggers fire predictably. Agents don't work that way. Agents reason across objects, context, and goals. They don't respect automation boundaries unless architects force them to. This is where teams get surprised. The system doesn't break, assumptions do. Enterprise AI failures rarely crash systems. Data slowly drifts. Reports stop matching reality. Automations behave inconsistently. Executives don't see errors. They lose trust. By the time someone asks, what changed, the cost is already locked in. This is where the Salesforce Architect role changes. You're no longer just responsible for configuration and performance, you're responsible for behavior. That includes what an agent is allowed to do, how fast it can act, what happens when it's wrong, and who can stop it. If you can't explain what your agent did, you own the failure. Architects who succeed with Agentforce design 4 control layers. 1. Scoped actions. Agents don't get broad permissions. 2. Human checkpoints, especially for irreversible actions. 3. Observability. You can see what the agent did and why. 4. Kill paths. The ability to stop, roll back, and recover. These aren't optional. They're what separates experiments from production systems. Agentforce isn't dangerous because it's powerful. It's dangerous when teams treat it like automation instead of intelligence. The future Salesforce Architect doesn't just build systems that work, they build systems that fail safely, and that's now the real job. If you're designing Salesforce systems with AI in mind, start with control, not capability. This is systemized intelligence.